where we apply our hybrid ceramic wax. I love turtle wax because it's such an easy application process. Usually it's just a spray coating, 2 sprays on a panel, and then you wipe it in, and then using a separate clean cloth you buff it back out, make sure it dries down nice and without any streaks or speckles. Here I have my Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic coating, and I also have Chemical Guys VPR rubber protectant that I've mixed 50-50 with some warm water. So I'm going to go around the trim, bring back all my trim on the outside with this, and clean it off a little bit, bring back some of the darkness to the plastics and the rubbers, and offer some protection. And then I'm going to ceramic coat everything with this spray ceramic wax, and it's going to keep my ride cleaner, and it'll look a little bit shinier and glossier, but the main thing is it'll protect so that the road grime and the slush and the salt from the winter time is not going to be sticking to my car paint and my car clear coat. I have a bunch of clean, very soft microfibers in my front pocket. Working around the car here, moving very quickly but paying attention to all the little details. I usually like to wrap my fingers around the microfiber and make sure you're getting every little edge, and then just buffing out quickly. I really like this product because it's safe on trim, it's safe on the chrome and the rubber and the plastic, and I spend a little extra time buffing it into my headlights and taillights because it really does help with the water beading and keeping them clean so mud doesn't stick on them and snow doesn't stick on them and stuff like that. The more towels you use, the better in this case, because you want everything to be as clean as possible. You can see I'm switching to different sides of my towels very often, and as I went through it, I was using way more than the 2 towels I originally brought in. I think I ended up using like 5 or 6 towels at the end here. Because it was a windy day, some of it did streak and there were some speckles and some overspray, so I quickly went back over it with a damp towel and just a tiny bit of O&R, and then I quickly went back and buffed it out, and it worked. And the reason why it worked is I acted quickly, I didn't let it set in for too long, and also all of these products, the VPR, the O&R, and hybrid ceramic, they're all water-based, so they work really well and they can be diluted. If we get really close in here, you can see there is, scratching and marring. I had a football hit the hood of my car when I was playing football with my friends. Rock chips and stone chips that just happen when you're driving behind trucks and trailers. I have overspray from some kind of paint that dropped on there. So the paint on this car is not perfect. It's a 10-year-old car, but any protection right now is what I can, anything that I can get, I'll take. So, gotta make some kind of effort and keep it nice. So now I'm going to pull my car into my garage and let the ceramic wax cure for as long as possible. It has been 2 days since we ceramic coated this Mazda 6 with Turtle Wax Hybrid Ceramics. So today is Monday. We coated it on the Saturday afternoon and I let it sit in my garage and cure. So today I went to work. So this is after my daily drive. You can see there is road grime and stuff back on the car. So of course it's not gonna look amazing and it's not gonna keep pristine and fresh if you're daily driving it around, but that's okay because the ceramic coating will actually allow all of this stuff to come off easier the next time we wash the car. So now that it's done a full cure, I'm going to show you guys the water beading and the protective properties that this has on it, and I'll show you just how easily all the grime and stuff that has built up will be washed off. So here we go. So we've got really great beading on the sides. You can see it's, instead of coming down as one sheet, the droplets of water are separating. It's very slick, so they're falling down off the edge of the car. It looks great. And you can see how it can actually help drying on its own because the water is not sticking into one spot too much and it's not staying attracted to that metal. So that was just a really quick demo of what we've done and how well it looks after it's cured for more than 12 hours. So there you have it, guys. That is how to quickly use a hybrid ceramic spray wax on your car. I didn't do my wheels because these are just my my winter rims. Unfortunately, if I had more time, I would protect them, but I don't have that much time. So as you can see, a little bit of gloss. If you liked what you saw, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. This has been Bassline Fresh.